Our Earth, a mysterious floating sphere in the vast empty space where we live, has inexplicable dimensions and direction. On this beautifully chaotic planet, amongst massive diversity, we focus on Kerala, situated in the southern part of India. Kerala, God's own country, is the land of coconuts, Kera, coconut, and Alam, land. The region, spread over 38,863 square kilometers along the Malabar coast of India, is formed by a mixture of land, water, and sky, with a touch of deep forests on the hilly terrains where we can dwell both over and under the clouds. With multicultural population, Kerala holds India's highest literacy rate of 96.2% as per 2018 reports. Literacy and education are the most important elements in framing a progressive, developed and civilized society. Education enhances nations' intellectual strength, but without matching employment opportunities, it can lead to disillusionment.
With the best credentials coming out of a prestigious engineering college is being offered 8 to 10,000 rupees in the construction industry is something pathetic.
India, being a young country, has approximately 8 to 10 lakh fresh Enga graduates per year. With this rate of youth aspiring for jobs after their graduation, there is a huge competency and approach concern regarding their employment. Only a few manage to secure their desired and deserving jobs as per the hiring parameters of any industry.
A construction industry low-end worker earns something like 20 to 25,000 per month. But you talk to the construction industry people, they also come out with facts that these people are not productive. They have to spend from their pocket for a year or two to sort of, train them and make them fit for the industry is their argument.
IIIC, Indian Institute of Infrastructure and Construction in Chavara. Kerala is an institute which offers a solution to this dilemma.
What is the USP for IIIC?
So the uniqueness is my trainees who enter into the industry from day one, they will be productive. Indian Institute of Infrastructure and Construction, IIIC, was established in the year 2018. This is fully a state government owned institution with a clear objective of skill development.
Welcome to IIIC, Chavara, Kerala, awarded as the Centre of Excellence by Kerala Academy for Skills and Excellence, under the Department of Labour and Skills of the Government of Kerala.
The Government of Kerala has been promoting skill development in a huge way. As a country, it is very important that we focus on developing a skilled workforce. The Government of Kerala has been promoting skill development in multiple sectors, but in particular, the Indian Institute of Infrastructure and Construction, which was established by the State Skill Development Mission CASE, which stands for Kerala Academy of Skill Excellence, has been doing an exemplary job in conducting skill training program for managerial as well as skilled workforce.
IIIC, through its state-of-the-art infrastructure as well as tailor-made courses, caters to the needs of the industry through its industry-relevant courses and also increases the employability of the trainees.
As an authorised training centre of the National Skill Development Corporation, IIIC ensures that their programmes align with the National Skill Qualification Framework, guaranteeing nationally recognised and standardised training.
Even though professional courses are available in the construction sector, many of them focus on the academic part or the theoretical part, whereas the students are not exposed on the practical training aspects. Which is why sometimes even students who graduate from professional courses become not as readily employable as the people who have got acquisition in the practical skill development. Which is why this institute acts as a bridge for this kind of a skill gap.
The institute is financially and technically supported by the management of the Uralungal Labour Contract Cooperative Society Limited, a recognized NSDC training partner and world's second largest labour contract cooperative.
The Government of Kerala has entrusted institute to ULCCS Construction Cooperative, is known as the second largest construction cooperative in the world, second to Mondragon of Spain.
Being jointly funded by government and ULCCS, the fee structure at IIIC is lower than that in other technical institutes across the country.
We always adopt the latest technologies and machinery. ULCCS has built many infrastructure projects in Kerala. This is expertise the big strength for the IIIC. We have always focused on the skill development. Now combining our expertise with the advanced facilities provided by the government, IIIC offer top quality training.
The Indian Institute of Infrastructure and Construction IIIC is dedicated to empowering the downtrodden people, especially the economically and financially backward communities.
The training process involves practical demonstration, which helps the trainee to enhance their skill to maximum, and the trainers are highly qualified to take up the challenge without any second thought.
With the strong focus on state-of-the-art facilities, then practical training and expert faculties, we ensure that our trainees are well placed in top or leading construction industries in India and abroad.
IIC has state-of-art laboratories such as Matter Lab, Quality Control and Assurance, HVAC, BIMS Framework, Mechatronics, and Geomatic Lab. In the course duration, the trainees develop basic engineering skill sets like masonry, plumbing, painting, welding, maintenance of water and sewer treatment plant. Matter Lab is a premier material testing and research facility where construction material testing, chemical analysis, microbiological testing, environmental monitoring, metallurgical and steel testing, special product evaluation, geotechnical investigation, and instrument calibration is been taught and trained.
It's very unique in terms of the variety of programs that we offer here. Again, unique in terms of the broad spectrum of program that we offer at IIIC.
As we kept exploring, we came across electrician training demonstration on servers MCBs, along with the fire extinguishers use IT Cell Seminar Hall. Trainees were given the practical classes with lectures included, which helps them understand, gain better knowledge and enhance their skills. Interior designing session, through which they were also taught to make the combination of right painting for the designs. The models engineered are brought into 3D designing on the CAD. Carpentry taught using right tools and sand wheels to make the woods furnished and lavish. A demonstration for the firefighters is also necessary.
And IIIC
Also trains the aspirants to be skilled in these aspects. With the magnanimous industrial partners, the trainees are trained to operate various heavy machines virtually, and then are taken on the ground and taught to operate this heavy machinery.
This is a campus where you can see on one end a school dropout can come over to IIIC for a technician level program, and on the other end you can even see a BTech graduate or a polytechnic graduate. They can come over to this institute for skill development.
Any work we commence requires a few checklists, out of which safety is the most important and basic concern. As already mentioned, IIIC makes sure their trainees are safe and well equipped with their safety concerns. The trainees are provided with safety kits, after which they gather on the construction site where the trainer gives requisite demonstration regarding their importance and usage.
By giving training in the field of technicians like excavator training, plumber training, electrician training and all, they have to come up to the level of the mainstream. So that is what our main aim. We have recently conducted an RPL, recognition of prior learning, and we have sponsored 15 of the ladies from a panchayat in the sense a block or something like that. So we have given training to them, and they have constructed 4 houses for their own, and now they have become the contractors in that area. So this is the way we have uplifted our women categories in the state, and likewise we are giving upliftment of the poor people, especially economically and socially backward people.
While on the tour, we also witnessed the trainees on the construction site. At first, they are assured safety measures. Then they are taught the science behind the construction of any buildings, which adds up in their understanding of the science behind the construction. Also, the road construction they handle is quite appreciable, as the roads they construct are used by the public, and this concerns the safety of the public, and every life counts. The trainees know this very well and ensure the quality is delivered. A lecture on attitude, dedication and behavior is very important. With expert skill and immense talent, but with wrong attitude, the best professional may end up in trouble, or even worse. The trainers ensure, enhance and channel their attitude in the right way. IIIC ensures and focuses on the quality. For this, they make their plans, obtain feedback and keep a track record on their progress. They commence each day with meetings and understand the requirements and make sure to deliver excellence at every level. They analyze the basics and focus on the process, which eventually leads to quality results. By doing so, the trainees get a boost in their skill and knowledge.
Yet another speciality of the programs offered is the internship that is part of the program. So if it's a 1-year program, a managerial program, a trainee enrolled for, at 3 months they are sent into the industry for a structured internship. So where we are looking at exposure for the trainee for certain critical areas, at least 60% of what is being delivered through our program delivery here.
As we took a detailed tour with every department, we came across the hospitality lab, where the trainees were learning the etiquettes and discipline of the hospitality industry, from interacting with guests at the tables, to knowing how to decorate the table with patience and make it look refined and welcoming, alongside little things like the origami napkin folding, and so on. These trainees are taught to make the stay of guests comfortable and pleasant on all fronts.
And apart from that, even we support working professionals in their career development through upskilling programs. So slowly IIIC is evolving as one of the best center for upskilling programs for working professionals.
As the day progresses, an important task for any of us is to fuel our body to keep the mind alert and body active. And for precisely that purpose, we now proceed towards the kitchen, where organized and expert chefs are ready to serve tasty and delicious meals. India, being a culturally diverse country, has a varied range of food in terms of taste and preparation. IIIC has taken care to provide a multicultural cuisine. Every day, the food prepared here for the trainees and staff is of the best quality and in sufficient quantity. The meals are served in the well-designed The Mess, where trainees gather and enjoy the delicious food. Even the staff and board directors join in for the meal, making these sessions more fun-filled and friendly. Post-lunch, everyone is rejuvenated and gets back on the floor for some more exciting discovery of the skills that they are yet to enhance in this journey.
We are looking at giving or sort of trying to acclimatize the trainees here to make them fit for the industry, or what you call industry ready. So this is primarily what we are attempting at IIIC, unlike other institutes.
Campus has extremely efficient housekeeping facilities and staff who work round the clock to provide a clean, sanitized, and safe living for the campus residents. Also ensures security training led by qualified persons. They have strict security rules in place, made sure by responsible persons that they are followed without fail. Also provides safe housing in the form of separate hostels, for boys and girls supervised by designated staff.
We host a variety of programs where generally we call it RPL, recognition of prior learning. So they can come over, we put them into for an assessment, and we assess the skills they have. So whatever skills are lacking are identified, and we spend like 5 to 10 days, depending on it's case to case, it is different, and we make an assessment and certify them. We call it recognition of prior learning, RPL programs. This is mainly supported by the Government of India to support the people who are unfortunately not able to complete a certification and training program due to various reasons, and it so happened that they are into industry for last 10 or 15 years.
Fit Body Fit Nation isn't merely a quote at IIIC. Along with the process of being educated and enjoying the perks of materialistic pleasure, physical fitness goes a long way towards a wholesome life. At IIIC campus provides the opportunity to implement physical fitness goals to its interns.
So we are getting enough support from various departments of Kerala, like SCDD department, STDD department, and some of the public sector undertakings are also encouraging us, like Indian Rare Earths Limited. They are encouraging. NABARD has come forward and they are extending financial help for us.
Under government corporate social responsibility, organizations are supporting IIIC.
In this regard, our latest partnership with IIIC Kerala is another great initiative that we have started. We have provided a Volvo excavator to IIIC, which is a brand new product which will help candidates and students who come to IIIC Kerala to get a great experience and learning from the latest products and technologies that we have. Going forward, our commitment remains to deliver more skilling initiatives, bring more cutting-edge technologies to the youth in Kerala, and I'm sure this investment that we have put in IIIC Kerala would definitely bring a lot of value to the youth in Kerala and bring a lot of skilling and improve employability of youth in Kerala.
Recently, IIIC, in collaboration with ULCCS, hosted Centenary International Conclave.
So as part of the centenary celebrations of ULCCS, we have hosted a conclave, an international conclave in December 2024, and wherein there was a big participation from renowned engineers from across the world.
On the itinerary included seminars, technical discussion, lectures by eminent industry professionals from across the world.
So India aspires to be a net zero nation by 2070.
A few novel ideas, this is some of the things that we are working on.
So if we can try to reduce the consumption of CO or adoption of Siemens.
And that was a great opportunity for the engineers of ULCCS, the engineers of various departments of the state government, as well as the construction industry generally. There was huge participation, and also my trainees at IIIC also had a great opportunity to network with such pioneering engineers from across the world. I would say that this had brought IIIC into limelight in a big way across the world.
And mesmerizing cultural performances by students and staff reflecting the local culture of Kerala.
We are fast into the track of evolving as a developed country. by 2047 according to our Honorable Prime Minister. So in this process, huge amount of infrastructure development has to happen in our country, and wherein huge number of skilled workforce is essential to execute these programs and help League of Developed Nations by 2047. And looking worldwide, I would say most of the developed nations are now looking at our motherland, seeking for skilled, trained workforce. For that matter, we are having frequent visits from various countries like Germany or Saudi Arabia. So the entire world is looking at India these days in terms of getting the skilled and trained youth. So it is high time that we use this window to exploit the situation and harvest the dividend of the large population that we have in our country.
ULCSS has built many key infrastructure projects in Kerala. This expertise is a big strength for IIIC.
We look for how the trainee get an exposure into those departments or areas in the projects when they are sent for internship. So we call it a structured internship, and I would say that we are very successful in that way. And a recognition, I would say, most of the internship when my trainees are sent for internship, this gets converted into a placement. They come back with a placement offer from these industries, and I would say that it's in terms of the acceptance or recognition from the industry, we are very successful in the last 5 years, because it is 100% core industry placement has happened in the last 5 years. So that way I would claim that we are successful in that line.
Also, the main consideration is that after completion of course, trainees receive their RICS, Royal Institute of Chartered Surveyors, UK, membership. It is an added advantage in their career. After familiarizing ourselves with IIIC, we concluded that IIIC is the best place for every student to enhance their skill and build their dream life in the field of infrastructure and construction.
And I'm very sure it's going to go a long way in promoting skill development in the construction sector, not just for Kerala, but for the country too.